morning. Welcome to the Petit Monde News. Today is Wednesday, February 19, 2014. My name is Carla and this is Biel and Paul.
Carla and Paul, have you heard about the problem between the Spanish city of Melilla and Morocco? More than 100 asylum seekers stormed the border on Monday.
Yes, Bill. People from Morocco are trying to swim across the border in order to enter Europe illegally.
Melilla and Ceuta are only land borders with Africa. That is why so many of them are willing to risk their lives to swim to Spain.
In fact, just a few months ago, many were killed when a refugee boat caught fire and sank near Italy. Hopefully, the government will have a better plan soon to solve this problem and prevent the loss of more lives.
Now we pass to Neil and Alex for water.
Thank you, Biel, Paul and Carla. Today will be both cloudy and sunny, with highs of 16 and lows of 7.
Tomorrow will be sunny with highs of 50 and lows of 9. Now we pass to Sofia and Marta for sports.
That you, Neil and Alex. After Barça versus Rayo Vallecano 6 of 0 this Saturday. Last night, Barça premiered brilliantly in the most artificial match till now. Barça playing in the city of Manchester Stadium and finished with 2 goals.
One from Messi and the other from Daniel Alves. In fact, Barça possessed the ball for 69% of the match. 3,000 Barça fans were also at the stadium to support the team.
Now we pass to Lucas and Joel of the news.
Thank you, Marta and Sofia. Today is Andres' birthday for ESO 4.
Tomorrow is Victor's birthday from primary 1. Let's wish a happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Thank you for watching.